Hello friends, Super Sunday teaching is learning education and modern parents। ये क्विज है जो हमारा 5 जनवरी को आज ही ये क्विज हुई है। इसके टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन है। ये 10 क्वेश्चन आज हम क्वेश्चंस लेके आए हैं। इसका जो रिफ्लेक्शन फॉर्म का लिंक है वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, वहां से आप इस लिंक पर डायरेक्ट क्लिक कर सकते हैं। आइए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं सभी क्वेश्चन के आंसर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज वन की डिफरेंस इन पेरेंटल इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन एजुकेशन टुडे कंपेयर टू 20 years ago? करेक्ट आंसर है, पेरेंट्स एक्सेप्ट मोर ट्रांसपेरेंसी एंड अपडेट फ्रॉम स्कूल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, why do modern parents rely more on technology for their child's education? Correct answer, it helps them track their child's progress in real time. Next question है, which social changes has most influenced modern parenting attitudes? Correct answer, globalization and exposure to international education system. Next question है, what is the primary concern of modern parents regarding digital education? Correct answer, cyber security and screen time management. Next question है, what has lead to increase the parental focus on mental health in education? Correct answer है, greater awareness about the stress and emotional well-being. Next question is, what motivates parents to invest heavily in education to the correct answer desire for a more holistic education for their child. Next question is, what is one of the most common complaint modern parents have about school? Correct answer is our maps on roll rote learning. Next question is, why do many parents believe parenting is harder today than it was 20 years ago? Correct answer, the digital age and technology related challenges. Next question is, which factors have lead to a rise in parents questioning traditional education system? Correct answer, focus on outdated curricula. Next question is, what do parents typically demand in terms of feedback from school? Correct answer, instant and conditional feedback via apps or meetings. ये थे हमारे सुपर टीचर्स की जो क्विज थी आज की एजुकेशन मॉडल पेरेंट्स।